Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Espresso Martini is probably one of the most sophisticated and energizing cocktails you can master at home, transforming a simple coffee kick into a luxurious, velvety indulgence that's perfect for any occasion, whether you're starting a night out or winding down with a decadent treat, offering a delightful balance of bitter espresso, sweet liqueur, and smooth vodka in every sip. Number 5. JoyJolt Afina Stemless Martini Glasses Set. Elevate your drink experience with this effortlessly stylish set. Its unique cinched design and stemless, heavy base ensure both elegance and stability for every sip. These 8.5-ounce glasses are built for durability and stability, perfect for mixing and layering your favorite beverages. They are strong enough for any cocktail, from cosmopolitans to martinis. Say goodbye to tedious hand washing. This martini glass set is completely dishwasher safe, allowing you to enjoy your drinks without the cleanup worry. Just pop them in and let them sparkle. With an 8.5-ounce capacity and elegant shape, they are ideal for classic martinis, mixed cocktails, and even layered liqueurs. These glasses are perfect for exploring new recipes and creating your own masterpieces. Arriving securely packaged in a gift-ready box, this set makes a thoughtful present. It's backed by a limited 1-year warranty, ensuring quality and satisfaction for unforgettable gatherings. What we like. These glasses offer a modern twist on classic martini ware. Their stemless, heavy base ensures stability and a contemporary feel, while being dishwasher safe makes cleanup a breeze. If you appreciate modern aesthetics and hassle-free maintenance for your cocktail nights, these are an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Java House Cold Brew Espresso Martini Peel and Pour Pods. Introducing the easiest way to craft a sophisticated cocktail at home. These innovative pods bring the bar experience directly to you. Each pod contains a premium 100% Arabica cold brew concentrate. It ensures a rich and authentic coffee base for your drink. Experience the delightful blend of smooth coffee with elegant French vanilla notes. It offers a perfectly balanced and indulgent taste. With a simple peel and pour, you're just moments away from a delicious espresso martini. Each pack contains 6 pods, making it easy to share or enjoy multiple times. This convenient 6-pack is designed to make 12 exquisite cocktails. It's perfect for entertaining or simply treating yourself to a luxurious drink. What we like. This product makes crafting espresso martinis incredibly simple. The convenient peel and pour pods deliver a consistent, delicious cold brew concentrate with lovely French vanilla notes every time. If you're looking for ultimate convenience and quick, perfectly flavored cocktails without any fuss, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 3. Java House Cold Brew Espresso Cocktail Mix. Introducing a premium cold brew concentrate designed to transform your drinks. It's the perfect base for exquisite coffee cocktails. Crafted from the finest 100% Arabica beans, this concentrate ensures a rich and authentic coffee experience. You'll taste the quality in every sip. Enjoy its incredibly smooth profile, complemented by delightful French vanilla notes. This combination creates a truly inviting aroma and taste. Forget complicated preparations, this mix makes crafting sophisticated drinks simple. Just add it to your favorite spirits or mixers for instant enjoyment. Each 32-ounce bottle provides enough concentrate to create up to 32 delicious cocktails. It offers exceptional value for your home bar or next gathering. What we like. This large bottle offers exceptional value for your espresso martini needs. With enough concentrate to make 32 cocktails, it's perfect for entertaining a crowd or frequent enjoyment. If you host parties often or simply love having a ready supply of delicious cold brew for your drinks, this bulk option is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Master of Mixes Espresso Drink Mix. Craving a delicious espresso drink? This mix makes it incredibly simple to create your favorite coffeehouse beverages right at home. No special equipment or barista skills required. It's a ready-to-use solution, meaning you can pour and mix without any extra preparation. Just open the bottle and start crafting your perfect drink instantly. Whether you prefer lattes, cappuccinos, or iced coffee, this versatile mix is your ideal base. Experiment with different additions to customize your drink exactly how you like it. Each bottle contains a full liter, 33.8 fluid ounces, of mix, providing plenty for multiple servings. You'll have enough to share with friends or enjoy many drinks yourself. Experience the rich, authentic flavor of espresso without the hassle. It delivers a consistent, high-quality taste every time, ensuring a delightful coffee experience. Transform your kitchen into your personal coffee shop with this convenient mix. It empowers you to be your own barista, creating professional tasting drinks with ease. What we like. This ready-to-use mix simplifies your cocktail preparation. No need for brewing coffee, just pour and mix for instant espresso flavor in your drinks. If you prioritize speed and versatility in your mixology, allowing you to create various coffee-flavored concoctions effortlessly, this product is a fantastic solution. What people say. Number 1. Espresso Martini Premium Cocktail Kit. Discover the ultimate way to enjoy your favorite cocktail. This premium kit provides everything you need to craft exquisite espresso martinis right at home. It's designed to transform your drink-making experience. Inside, you'll find a premium shaker with a built-in strainer, 6 tubes of rich coffee grounds, and 2 elegant martini glasses. Plus, precise measuring spoons are included to ensure flawless cocktails every single time. Unleash your inner mixologist with ease. This complete set includes 6 exotic botanicals like vanilla, cocoa, and cardamom, allowing you to create the most exquisite and perfectly balanced espresso martinis. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this kit has all the essentials. Its precise measuring tools make crafting perfect drinks simple and enjoyable for everyone. Impress your guests with show-stopping martinis, perfectly balanced and beautifully presented. This elegant set, with its premium ingredients and stylish glassware, also makes an ideal gift for any special woman in your life. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for an elevated espresso martini experience. It includes premium tools, elegant glassware, and unique botanicals for crafting sophisticated drinks. If you're looking for the perfect gift for a cocktail enthusiast or want to impress guests with a complete, luxurious setup, this kit is designed for you. What people say. No positive product details found in the provided source reviews. No positive product details found in the provided source reviews. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.